morning, second class children. Very good morning to all. Are you all ready for the class, children? Yesterday class, is it clear for you? Had you understand that lesson? Okay. So how many times you had heard that lesson? Only one time, or twice or thrice? Okay. If you heard one time also, that is quite enough for me. Because if you listen that class one time or twice or thrice, that is not much important. But whenever you listen the lesson, no, that should be very clear for you all. Okay. That counting, it's not my, for me it's not important. నేను ఒక్కసారి విన్నాను టీచర్, నేను 2 times, అది కాదు ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. You have to understand that lesson. Okay. So I hope yesterday lesson was very clear, no? I had shown the picture of the skeleton, then I explained very clearly twice a day. Second day also I had explained that for day before day and yesterday also. And today also I will do some recap session. Okay. From past 2 days we are learning the lesson bones and muscle lesson. So I will explain again for 5-10 minutes, then I will give the hard words, children. Okay. So that will be very clear for you all. Then you will understand, yes, this is the points teacher had given the information yesterday and day before day. Now you will understand very clearly. Okay. If I keep on saying that lesson once again, third day also, it is very easy to understand for you also. Okay. Now, so shall I start the lesson now? Bones. What about the bones? What do you understand about the bones? Yes, bones are the hard part of our body. I told you this thing? Yes. Okay. They are attached to what? Muscles. How many bones are there? More than 206, isn't it? Now, tell me now, what about this one? They are what? They give shape, and bones gives what? Shape and support to our body. Isn't it? Okay. Then what are the points I told you? Yes, it protects what? It protects the what? Now inside the bones, it is the internal framework of the bones and provide to our body is called the skeleton. The internal structure, whatever the internal part of our body, you have seen that without muscles and skin. You have, yesterday I had drawn the picture about the skeleton, I had shown you, isn't it? So do you understand that skeleton picture? No? So that is the inner part of our body. Now the human skeleton has how many bones? 206 bones. Okay, children. Now the place where two bones join together is called a joint. This also I had explained in the bones topic, isn't it? So the next one, in our body, it help us to what? Sit, stand or bend. Okay, or move in many ways. So in the bones topic, what we had listened, what we had understand, it is a hard part of our body. Bones are the hard part of our body. How many bones are there in our body, human body, in the skeleton, human skeleton? More than or less than? Okay, approximately. No, not like that. It is only bones are 206. How many bones are there? 206 bones are there in the human skeleton body. Okay. Third point, what do you understand? It was attached to what? Muscles. Bones are attached to muscles, which gives a shape and support to our body. Bones gives a shape and support to our body. The inner part of our body, framework that bones provide to our body is called what? Skeleton. So these are the points in the muscles. In the bones. I am very sorry. Okay, a crack in a bone is called a fracture. A crack in a bone is called a fracture. Okay. Next one, muscles. Muscles are what? They are very softer parts of our body. Muscles are attached to the bones. Okay. We can move, lift or bend or do actions like smile and cry and so on because of our muscles. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Is it clear, children? So teacher will now I will learn the lesson, then please listen. Once again, I am going to learn this bones lesson. You have to listen it. Okay. Should I start now? Okay. Now about the bones. Listen properly, everyone. Bones are the hard part of our body. They provide support to our body and give it a shape. What they give? Shape. The internal framework that bones provide to our body is called a skeleton. It supports and provides the inner parts of our body. Inner parts of our body. The human skeleton has 206 bones. The place where two bones join together is called a joint. I hope this class is very clear, no? When I am reading. Okay. Joints in our body help us to sit, stand, bend and move in many ways. Okay. A crack in a bone is called a fracture. Now let me start about the muscles. Okay, listen. So now I am going to start about the topic of what about muscles. Muscles are the softer parts of our body and it is attached to the bones. We can move, lift, bend or do actions like smile, cry and so on. Because of our muscles, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there? More than 600 muscles. Okay. So, are you able to follow me? Can you able to listen this class? Okay. Listen properly. Okay, children. So, the rubber bands are like muscles that allow movement of the body by pulling against bones. So, eating healthy food and doing physical exercise regularly makes the bones and muscles strong. Yes, exactly. Isn't it? Obviously, if you do the regular exercise, not only eating healthy food, but you have to go with the good exercises. That is like playing games or doing exercising or doing yoga. Okay, next one. Posture. I told you now how to walk. Should not do, the walking should be, your posture should be straight. It should not be stooping or bending. Now I am going to start about the posture. Listen the class children. An important thing to be kept in mind is how to carry yourself. How to carry yourself. So, how Ankit does it. Now, I will show that how Ankit is doing this. I will show the pictures children. Try to listen. See, this Ankit, he is the boy. Okay, he is standing. Look at the pictures all of you. He is standing straight. This posture is sitting straight. This posture is walking upright. He is following the way he was walking is very free hands. Okay. So you have to follow this good posture. The next one. All these postures show that Ankit follows the right way of sitting, standing and walking. Isn't it? So Ankit is a boy. How he had standing, how he was sitting and how he was walking. The next one. Therefore, he has a good posture. This will help to him remain fit and healthy. So why this posture should be very good? It has to, why you have to maintain the good posture? Because to maintain fit and healthy. Okay. The next one. On the other hand, see our Arun carries himself. Now look at this Arun. How he is doing now? He is Ankit. He is doing all the good postures. What about the Arun? Look at here all of you. Arun is stooping while standing. He can't able to stand properly. He was just keeping his body very loosely and he was bending. Okay. Is it the way of standing like this? No. Okay. Whenever you stand, you just stand straight. Okay. See, now look at here. The next one is bending and sleeping while what? While writing. Okay. So this is also very bad posture. And bending is not a good posture while writing or reading. And here stooping while walking. Is it a good posture? You will bend and you will walk like this? No, that is not a good posture. Okay. So these are the wrong ways of carrying the body. These are bad postures. These are good postures. They lead to knees and various sickness and various diseases. Okay. So you have seen this, no? Ankit is following the good posture and Arun is doing all the bad posture. You have to follow the Ankit postures, not the Arun postures. Okay, children. Now, the last I am going to say about the simple points. Listen the 5-6 points. Okay. Bones are hard and muscles are soft. Bones are hard and muscles are soft. Muscles help our body to move. Which will help our body to move? Muscles. Okay. Muscles are attached to the bones. Which are attached to the bones? Muscles. Okay. Skeleton gives us shape and support to our body. Which gives us shape and support to our body? Skeleton. Okay. We can bend our body at the joints. We should maintain the always which posture? Good posture. Physical exercise makes our muscle strong. Yes. What is that? Which will make our muscle strong? Physical. Doing physical exercise making our muscles strong. Okay. So our lesson is completed. Okay. So if lesson is completed, we have to go with the hard words. So are you all ready with the science classwork notebook? Take down your science classwork notebook and write very neatly. I will give very few words today. You note down in your classwork notebook. Okay. Come on, write down children. Write exactly. Spell the word of muscles. Now write the lesson name. Name of the lesson, bones and muscles, hard words. Spell the word of muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Spell the word of provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. Number 3, internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal. Okay. Fourth one, spell the word of framework. F-R-A-M-E, frame. W-O-R-K, framework. Fifth one, spell the word of skeleton. Little bit is very hard spelling. You have to do the practice in regularly. Okay. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. Spell the word of protects. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S, protect. You write only protect. Don't write in the past tense word protects. Okay. Now draw a midline. If you have the space, you can continue more. 2 more words in your classwork. I don't have the space, so I am taking the beside the hard words this side. Okay. Now draw a midline. Don't draw this line very near to this hard words. Use the scale and draw a midline and start writing. 7th one. Spell the word of support. S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. Okay. 8th one is spell the word of skeleton is completed now. So let me start with the next word is muscles. Muscles also completed. We will go with the another word, that is actions. A-C-T-I-O-N-S, actions. Okay. 9th one. Get ready for the 9th. That is spell the word of rubber band. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber band. B-A-N-D, rubber band. Okay, spell the word of rubber band. Okay. The next one is 10th one. Exercise. E-X-E-R-E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Physical. P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical. Spell the word and write children. 12th one, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Okay. 13th one, you can write, spell the word of strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. This is enough children. Today only I had given 13 hard words. Tomorrow again I will give some more hard words tomorrow. Okay. So spell the word of muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. Internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal. Framework. F-R-A-M-E-W-O-R-K, framework. Again, spell the word of muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. Internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal. Framework. Spell the word of frame. F-R-A-M-E-W-O-R-K, framework. You can split the word if it is very difficult for you. Okay, you can split the words. Here also say, look at the spell the word of internal. I-N, inter, T-E-R, ter, null, N-A-L. You can make the, just split the words and try try to learn learn this hard spellings. Okay. Now listen. Spell the word of skeleton. 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 Protect. 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 Support. 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 Actions. 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 Rubber band. rubberband. Rubber band. Exercise. 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 Physical. 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 Healthy. 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 Strong. 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 Okay, come on, get ready. Spell the word. Each hard word you have to spell the word three times. Muscles. Provide. Internal. Framework. Skeleton. Protect. Support. Actions. Rubber band. Exercise. Physical. Healthy. Strong. Is it clear? So number 1, what is the number 1? Muscles. Number 2, provide. Number 3, internal. 4, framework. 5th one, skeleton. 6th, protect. 7th, support. 8th one, actions. 9th one, rubber band. 10th one, exercise. 11th one, physical. 12th one, healthy. And 13th one is strong. I hope all the hard words is very clear, no? Is it clear? And I hope my children had understand very easily. Now you can pronounce the word, you can write very neatly. Whenever you write in the class work, spell the word and write. As now how teacher said, isn't it? While writing on the board, did I keep my mouth mum? No. So I used to also say with the spelling and I was writing on the board, isn't it? You too have to do the same thing. While writing in your class work, say the spelling and keep on writing. Okay children, second class. Is it clear? So tomorrow we'll see with the next exercise with some more hard words. Okay, we'll continue the class for tomorrow. Take care children. Thank you.